How to draw the letter F from Alphabet Lore step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing the left eye by making a shape that looks similar to a curvy square. This square will be on an angle. Next, on the inside of the shape that we just drew together, we're going to draw a line going from left to right. This will help us make the eyelid. Now attached to the bottom center of the line that we just drew, we're going to draw the outline of the pupil, but we're not going to fill this in completely black just yet. Nice! So far this is a great start. Now let's go ahead and draw the second eye on the right hand side attached to the one that we just made together. Similar to what we did on the left hand side, we're going to want to draw a line going from left to right in the center of this one as well. And I almost forgot to mention that if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you want to see more videos, then be sure to subscribe. Fantastic! So now that we have the eyes drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the outline of our F. Let's begin by drawing a long slanted line connected to the left eye. Now connected to the bottom point of the line that we just made, let's draw a small line going from left to right. This will help us make the bottom of our F. Now on the end point of that line, we're going to want to draw another line that will go about halfway up the line that we first drew. So as of right now, we have the left side of our F drawn along with the eyes. Let's go ahead and draw the right side and connect it to what we just made on the left hand side. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video. When we draw the right side of the letter F from Alphabet Lore, we're going to want to keep in mind that this will help us make the mouth. In between these two rectangular shapes, similar to what I mentioned for making the mouth, we're going to add in teeth. Now for the last step, we're going to want to draw V lines in between those two shapes that look similar to rectangles. This will help us make the teeth of our letter F. Now in just a moment, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, but let's go ahead and color in the pupils together first. This is how to draw the letter F from Alphabet Lore. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.